how to verify your Shopify store in Meta Business Suite or to Facebook. So this video will explain to you how you verify your store to your Facebook with a meta tag so that you can run Facebook pixels. This is very important because only if you verify your store ownership in Facebook that you can make your Facebook pixel and do analytics and etc. So let's just get into it. So the steps to add your business your Shopify store tag is will involve working with the Shopify dashboard and the Meta Business Suite. So the first step is to actually go to your business.facebook.com and hover over all tools and click all tools, and you will want to go to business settings. So let's find business settings. Okay, so if you cannot find business settings, just go to brand safety and suitability. But there has been a change in Facebook. This is not the actual page that you want to add your domain. So let's go click all tools, and you can find business settings in the brand safety and suitability page. So click business settings and wait for it to load. And okay, on this business settings, you go over to the brand safety and suitability and go to domains. As you can see, this is pretty confusing because the actual brand safety and suitability page that is available on all tools does not include the domains. It is included in the brand safety and suitability under business settings on Facebook. But that's just the way it is now. Okay, so the next step is to click add and create a new domain. So as you can see, so in the your domain menu over here, you have to copy and paste your Shopify store URL. So let's just go to our Shopify store and click settings, and I want to copy and paste my store URL. So there you go. You don't need to add the HTTPS etc. Just your store URL. There you go. Do not add prefixes, and it's not a subdomain, which is exactly what this link refers to. So let's click add. And once we've clicked add, we need to add a meta tag. So this meta tag right here, just click it until it said copied. There you go, copy to to clipboard. And let's head over to our Shopify store dashboard. Okay, go to online store and themes. We will edit the theme.liquid. So where do we put that meta tag is on theme.liquid. So next to the customize, there's this 3-point button. Just go ahead and click it and click edit code. Okay, go to theme.liquid. Okay, as you can see, I have a few tags already running over here. I'm just going to add the Facebook's meta tag. There you go. So under head, you enter and then paste. So just make sure that it's under the head and it's in line and nice with the other tags that you might have. And once we're done, click save. Okay, once it's saved, you should be able to verify your store URL. So let's click verify. Okay. Now, in my case, I cannot verify my domain. This is because maybe it's too new. Because from my experience, in my case specifically, my store URL needs like few days to be able to be verified. And Facebook actually tells in the support page that if you cannot verify your store URL, you need to wait for up to 72 hours, which means you need to wait 3 days for the verification to succeed. Now, but while you're waiting, do not remove and reapply the other HTML tag, because it will just reset the whole process and it will only make things longer for you. So what you can do if this is not successful, just wait for another day or 2 or 3 days. Okay, so but your main store URL here is not the only thing that you want to add the tag to. You want to also add the tag if you have a domain. So for example, if you have already subscribed or bought a domain, you can see your domain on settings and domain over here. And there you go. If you have a domain, just go ahead and find just go ahead and change it to a redirect link, and uh, copy that domain and do the same thing again over here. So, well, that is all for your to take care of the Facebook tag. Now, I want to explain a bit about these tags. So these tags are used not only as a verification of ownership for your business, but it also uh, acts as an attachment for Facebook, so that they can track your activities. So if you have already added tags, well, as you can see on my, let's go over to our theme.liquid again. Now, as you can see on the tags, like edit code, I've already added my Google Sites verification tag. Now, this I'd use for Google sitemap, so that I can track my my store using Google services like Google Analytics or Facebook Analytics or TikTok Analytics. Those all of those needs this tag to both verify your ownership and to be able to track your Shopify store on Shopify store traffic, right? And from my understanding, they do take some time, so that is why I haven't been able to verify my Facebook domain tag. Okay, so let's just try again. Let's see if this works. There you go. Okay, so if it may take up to 72 hours for Facebook to find the meta tag code, right? If the domain status is still not verified, you need to click verify domain again. But again, you do not remove it. Now, as you can see, you can actually find the scrape results in the sharing debugger tool to make sure that Facebook can actually detect your tag. So just click sharing debugger, and what you want to do is to just find the your store URL. So if you click debug and find your store URL, as you can see, now this URL hasn't been shared on Facebook before. Now, as you can see, my URL is not detectable by Facebook, and this just tells that Facebook simply hasn't known my URL yet. And this just explains why my verification is not verified, because Facebook hasn't detected it yet, and I just need to wait for a day. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you very much.